Have you ever tried to build something great, only to watch it fail because the groundwork wasn't done right? Imagine constructing a house without a solid foundation. What happens? It collapses. The same principle applies to email warm-ups. A high percentage of warm-up failures stem from one thing: poor preparation. And here's the truth. If you skip the essentials before sending your first warm-up email, you're setting yourself up for failure. So, what does proper preparation look like? Let me walk you through it, step by step. Set up email authentication. SPF, DKIM, and DMARC are your locks. Without them, emails won't reach inboxes. Clean your contact list. Even new lists can have issues. Start with a clean slate. Prepare your content strategy. Plan your message to engage and deliver value. Set the foundation first, and your email warm-up will stand strong. Ready to start? Follow this space for more sales and marketing insights.